Marago bengiana indo mwanchi umurigereria na kwareganire na inda semesa mangana Amayia Chinsa Isato chiabono botuko ekero chitire chitarikinye omutenyo kabero mwaka bwechiri bwibere na merongo ebere nebere ekero rire rituko ria ijuma gendera gotobwatia gwetera semitandao ya Facebook buna Ndizi TV News na ensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na igotibweba ensemo ya Twitter na bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News na kwareganire atari make kuruga studio igogendera ko ya Ndizi TV nero bwanzu bw'umugusi. Nje ni gongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita ebyombe ao biribikorwania esegi yoko Sara omwana omunyaruka nigo litikoria rero baumerana asensemo ya bosongo imeyo mabaganio yomo abwase babanekerenga kyogosegeta na kubolia abantu gotiga embwa eyo yaitirwe ne chingaki yoko Sara omwana omunyaruka omurikito Mildred Momanyi naikirana sensemeyo na nabwate amange.
Embwa yoko musara omwana omunyaruka nigo yetirwe ne chingaki abo ase yabeire ensegie kurwanirwa na kero monto elio gukora obounereri obwo imeye county ya Kisii abasayi nigo besokia ase omoyega wariganirire nebyombe ao elio kogikeria ogosarwa ku mwana omunyaruka omoyego yo oragwana mukonyi bwo mu county commissioner ase Kitutu Central Madam Elizabeth Atemo.
So we are called upon as the leaders to rally the youth to also join in lending their voice to this campaign. And so today we have met youth leaders from the various institutions who are going to assist in putting across this message to their fellow youth.
We have other challenges like the cross-border FGM, where people take their girls, young girls to neighboring countries. And also the issue of secrecy. So secrecy in the act of cutting has become a very big challenge because people know that we have got other, it's outlawed, and to perpetuate this particular practice they have to do it in secrecy. So that is why it has been very hard for us to be able to apprehend.
Labda naweza toa kwa watu sasa ni kwamba kwanza hii mambo ya ukeketaji imeharamishwa na pia katika sheria za Kenya za nchi yetu kuna act ambazo zimetolewa ambazo inapiga haramu hii mambo ya kukeketa. So tunaweza kuambia viongozi wote mahali walipo waweze kushirikiana katika familia kwa vile hata watoto wanapoenda kukeketwa si watoto wanajipeleka wenyewe. So lazima tuanzie kwa wazazi ndio haya mambo yote yaweze kuisha.
County ya Kisii nigo egendrete kororekana erebosyo kigima ase ogosarwa kwa bana abanyaruka ase kerengo kiemerongo 53 asemia abo ase abasaye bagania abasaye bande kubabwatisia elio gosiria ogosarwa okuo
nainde twarigereire nga mono igani gotokorigia abanyagitari gosaba abantu bagokora ase chinsemo cyanyagitari egera bacha gosara abana chinka cheito gose twabairaga ria sti dispensary. So ekina kigento mono twataka kogikiria nga tonyare gukora ringanerio ase ogokwanera igoro ya amangana yo gosara abana baiseke goetera ase social media goetera ase chi radio goetera chinsemo chirichons to kunyara gukwana
etorega igabuna abasaye korangeria abasaye bande n'abantu bande korwese community ya mugusi kubatayibuna Chinsa na chechi amatuko na raya ogosara kwa bana baiseke ngo bwatinga kingo bwati faidende onsigo chesa bana baiseke
ginko reporteria egetaseni kya Ndizi TV elietariane Mildred Momanyi.
Ne amateyemo kurwa sensemo ya birongo nigeganetie konyora obwene bwabo magega y'umwana obo gotibongwa no mukagirwa kubikwa byara wika bono omurikito Ndemo Steven natarira amateyo na gutwariganiria oroboti rokobwatia
etarikia yemo omutenyo yo kabere nerituko ya mateyemo kurwe kenyoro kya boruma engoto birongo ward nyari bali chache constituency eteve asama tukamange nigo mugaka David Nyaega emyaka 55 nemo anyara komo chigwa serigo solio komengero omochokoroye obwate emyaka 5 nemo emarogobe yuo
cyaringe saa 12 cyamoro amwana gatumu yandorangiriyo mina atako mucha kwa ndeti mwana alianya sukura aye kamugwate kamwira nyuma ramwira nyuma kamusianga kamukorera bikoni ngoba uri ga kitatu nyanza kiba nkorera hivi
Jumatano chitariki 2 nigo mwana uyu aigetigwe nyagitari sub county ya Kiumbu koringorigu no koboko gwe serikali okanyara kumubeka David Viara
na yeto mwana mpaka nyagitari akapimwe gatoka na mukorete bikoni nkaenda polisi musikali nero nkobeta mpaka nyagitari nyagitari bakapima tono musikali kanyora na mukorete bikoni karuora tukaira na polisi nani musikali bakataya muntu itigabuat ama ena nayo nabuatire imali.
Polisi walifanya bidii wakashika huyu David Nyaoka na leo tarehe 4 amepelekwa kotini.
Magega yechimbwe chichimbe konyara komenta Kisii County nige serikali ya inakirikoba maiso gochikei.
Ningependa kuwaonya tu wasee wenye wako hapa Kisii sababu hizi cases za defilement na rape zimekuwa mingi. Wakiadhari sana. Wakiadhari wajue ya kwamba wanafanya makosa na makosa ikipatikana sisi polisi tutawashika na sheria ichukue mkondo yao.
Ya mateje nigo yagikirie ngane ya bokongu na gusabe nyore obwene bwaye.
Ekebegi akole kaneta so muchonya mwamu. Akinkero kana kabere twagi keiria serie tario monene. Akie bine bikonenta na korora gesankine. Twagi keirie ngane ba mindo akia serie taria agieso. Ono mwane kengwerere. Tari wasubati ba muborete. Twagi keiri anyasao tobwadisa.
Kuripoteri kitaseni kia Ndizi TV kurwase wodi ya Birongo ime county ya Kisii elietariane Ndemo Steven.
Nomo County Commissioner ase County ya Nyamira Michael Lesman nigarurege kurege tindi gochia survive wasomonto ndebwensi oratoke ga kuiba ebinto byestima nigagoche kuimokerwa egetambo kerege tindi keri chiko chinga kechecho Lesman nigasemiria basae goetanga gotumekwa nabanasiasa anene mono chinga kechiga chichikura omorikeito Job Mangi narenga sensemeyo na natwareganiria roboti urwa senchera yoboikerano
ekero arego kwana ime kinyoro kyabo Nyamatuta ewodi ya township egotoka ime constituency ya West Mugirango ime county ya Nyamira omo commissioner gwe county ya Nyamira Lesman Michael narwa egekuro egetindigo cha sabanto babere bagosaria enibo ya serikali.
We have profiled 15 of them, and this exercise is going on. We are going to make simultaneous arrest in all our 5 sub-counties for those who have been doing that vandalism. That vandalism had been going on for long.
Nateba mbache babeke byara abantu babere bakoibemerero nagosari chigwa ya chestima nechi transformer ime county eyo.
That since October 1st up to January 1st, we have lost 5 transformers. That's just one county. 5 transformers in only 4 months. And one transformer costs 700,000, without including other costs of transport, the cost of putting it back. Without that, now the Ministry of Interior has chipped in, and we are going to arrest them and charge them with economic crimes and terrorism.
Lesmani na mochi abarai babere bagosege tabasae kusalia emesangerekano ya siasa na goteba mbache bairege tambokero kya bwango nasaba bamenyi banyamira batware omorembe anene mono ekero obochori bwabeire ange.
And the county security team has taken up that exercise. Fortunately, we know the politicians who are doing that. They are not new to us. In fact, some of them are our friends. So we want to give them a last chance. And in the next county security committee, we are going to call them, to summon them, not to call them, to summon them to the county security team to warn them first. If they continue with that kind of behavior, I am sure we have a number of laws that we can use to take action against them.
Kinko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwe county ya Nyamira, erietariane Job Maangi.
Na banasiasa bari bakurigia ebirogo ao asobachori bwo mwaka uyo iga nigo bagenderete kwiroberia eri gucha kwene kyabuna nkoba bari ababui asobachori obwo bogucha gokoreka Boas Mairura no yo kurigia ekirogo kyobo MCA kurwase wodi ya Masimba
whereby twarukwana mang'ana kuhusu chama ito na kitogo ikera aba kichikura na kitokurigerio moneno ito chikura ga gusi na kitoko nyori cheito na kitoko mekie chama ito ya UDA ever very strong than any other party aigazi region ya Usiga egendo kende twarukwana na kie matuka atigira makeiga na kitoko sensitize abantu baito bali batara bwata chikura banyare ko bakubwata amona mangana mange yokobeke chama ya UDA ever the most popular, ever the most liked, ever the most loved as a region ya Usi nenze ito ya Kenya. Ngoli gine chiko chama Simba muno mu MCA oligeretie kwa mu MCO gatatu ko rutu anende do mangana devolution azimbu ate birenga liyo bija byokolenda real devolution as abantu baito ba Masimba.
Ni nyagitari nene ya Nyamira nigo yatenenirie asegeka kya matukabere obokoreri bwaye elikurwa libaga lya bene kurigererirwa westima na korosigwa ase nyagitari yo nigo bono abaroire basemiwe tibara icha ase nyagitari yo chakera litkolya ankyo ekero estima egocha korosigwa na kurigererirwa boikirano elikwene kyabuna emerobero ya botambe nguchiere kogenderera guchakera litko lya Jumapili nigo nyagitari kurwa ase nyagitari yo arurugo chikoko elikurwa libaga gokora amoncherelyo asensemo ye chinguru cyomulero.
By the way, services are running. However, it is at the low level, minimal services are running. Nurses are there, doctors are there, other clinicians are there, and everybody is there. Only that now, there are those services which will need power that cannot be done. Number two, we have already done, we have informed our people that the patients who might want to receive services here, which might need theater services, which might need X-ray, can move to our other peripheral facilities where these services are offered. Keroka has a nice place you can run. We have Kijauri where our theater is. We have Gesima where we have a theater. We have Manga where there is a theater. And some other, facilities, level 3, level 4 facilities in the sub-counties can run same services. However, they cannot receive those other specialized like we are giving in Nyamira Hospital.
No muraiwe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga nigatebire buna obomo bwa azimio la umoja nigobole ne kerenge kia ekigego cyogokonya bakenya ase chinjera ao buno gokinia uchumi na gokinia gosekobaga awosobo bagibwenibo erengaine ochase chi serikali chechi county. Raila nigaya kuwa naya chingaki akoro musangirekano nabonchoreri akorwa sensemo ya Nairobi amo nababwatani bechi kanisa gosabarai bechi kanisa aseba umirana asomo baganyo yomo ime yomoche o Nairobi gati yabarai baikirana ase omusangerekano yo ngamono mugavana bwe county ya Kitui Charity Ngilu no mugavana bwe county ya Makueni Kivutha Kibwana.
Lead is a good quality. It is a quality that will look after our development, that will look after our involvement in positions in government, that will look into people who do business with government, our young people, everybody.
We sometimes take too long to see and to know where we want to go. This maneno ya ekaituliye, let us watch and see, let's wait and see. What are we waiting to see? We want to be in government.
We want to ensure that there's fairness in our society. And there's also equity in terms of distribution of resources in our country. That no part of the country grows faster than other part of the country. That we can do it. If they can do it in China, which is almost as a subcontinent, they did it in the United States of America, a continent in itself. Why can you not do it in a country like Kenya, which is just equivalent to a state called Texas?
Aida Odinga oyoro musubati bomurai w'ekiama kia ODM Raila Odinga litikulia lero nigachakio moroberio umanyekanete buna sibanduki yo ore nekerenga kyogoche gusira ekerenga gia Azimio la Umoja ase okwenekia omolembe imense ya Kenya na boigo gukinia amagenderero imense yaitu ya Kenya.
And when will they reach our level? And that was about 25 years ago. Today, we have the Chinese doing our roads, we have the Chinese doing our ports, we have the Chinese doing our buildings, we have the Chinese leading in everything. The idea here is not that we are not progressing. The idea here is not that we are lazy. The idea here is not that we are not knowledgeable. It is the change of attitude. It is the change of attitude. We want proper policies that will enable us to change from this third world economy to first class economy in 10 years as they've done in other countries. It is a country, if we riddle our country with issues of corruption, selfishness, violence, then we are not going to move very far. We have to get rid of selfishness. Let's think of ourselves as a people of Kenya, one people of Kenya, without any division based on class, based on regions, based on ethnicity, based on religion. We are all Kenya and we are proud to be Kenyans wherever we are, wherever we go. This is paramount. We want Kenya where you can work anywhere in Kenya so long as you're a Kenyan. You can live anywhere in Kenya so long as you're a Kenyan. You can marry across so long as you're a Kenyan. You can marry any Kenyan because there will be no that division. Let's unite together and work together for the prosperity of our country.
Nabarai gose abanasiasa bali bakoliye birogo by'uburai ao imeye county ya Kirinyaga wetera ase kiama kia UDA wana nigo bamochirie oboteneneri bwe kiama ekyo abwase batebire buna nigo batigirwe magega nigo bono baburirie abateneneri be kiama ekyo kia UDA ko bainyora ase merobelio ao eliego koreka ase kiama ekyo kia UDA.
Saying is that we are concerned that there seems to be a leadership vacuum, and we as patriotic supporters of UDA, we are not going to sit and watch. We are going to wake up, do some action to ensure that UDA, our political party, retains the prominent position it has in the county.
We felt as non-elected aspirants or aspirants who are not holding official seats at this point, we have been sidelined in a lot of the UDA activities within Kirinyaga County, and the climax of this is because there is now there are deadlines that are in place on various electoral functions that need to be done, and we find that we are still being sidelined. And as Honorable Barua has said, we are the majority. If we are to count the UDA affiliated or the Tanga affiliated office holders in Kirinyaga, I don't think they can go beyond 15, 10.
So kila mtu anataka kiti na nomination ya UDA aende ground. And we want to diffuse that narrative that UDA belong to the elected leaders. Apana. Yeah.
Na magali yeli chiko liye chikura wetiwa wasegoikiwa asa magacho ye bunge elimanyekanete buna electoral row elikageire gucha gukora monchorolyo enchera chikura chiwenerete kobarwa eyuego tebabuna chibarwe gwetera asenchera yegekoro wosimanyo nigo bona barai ao besokire na kwamereria lichikelyo nigo liekiwa ase bunge nomo omuraibwa bange ase bunge Amos Kimunya wikiraiga omugavana we kaunti ya Nandi Stephen Sang nigo esokirie na komocha lichikelio. Sang niga yakuwa naya chingaki aikerana asomoyega bwa matanga ime ye kaunti ya Vihiga. Siasa na chiracho nchitigire magega asomoyegoyo.
Tumeanza kubadilisha sheria mpaka hata ile ya kusema kura ikihesabiwa ifanyiwe ile inaitwa electronic transmission. Wanasema lazima itolewe kwa sababu wameanza kutafuta mbinu ya kuharibu election ya Kenya, kwa sababu tayari wamejua hiyo project yao haitanunuliwa na wananchi wa Kenya.
Nilisema kwamba hawa jamaa wanatuhadaa kwamba mchana wako kule, usiku wako kule. Sasa wamedhirika kule Bomas wakati walienda na wakaenda ile mrengo ingine. Tunawaombea Mungu muendelee kukaa hivyo, lakini najua serikali itakuwa azimio la umoja ikiongozwa na baba, ile ingine itakuwa upinzani.
Tunamwambia tafadhali Dr. William Ruto, nyinyi mmeongoza kwa miaka 24. Raundi hii fanya rudi nyuma, saidia Musalia Mudavadi mmoja akuwe president, alafu tutamrudishia. Kwa hivyo tutakapozungumza mingi, hatujapata kiongozi wa kuwa flag bearer kwa Kenya kwanza.
Mama wa ANC, niko hapa kutangaza ya kwamba tutaungana na Ruto mpaka tuchukue State House.
No mulikio manene w'ekiombe kia FKF orosagia Rwakisi Evans Mageka nigaene kirebuna ekiminano kia Nyanza Regional League nigo kegocha gochaka abwankyo imeya constituency ya Bobasi asegeti ya Sameta.
Asamalieta nko Evans Mageka secretary ya Kisii County go irari bageko walika abantu mwensipi asomupiro kala ari mambi Sameta ego chaka kwitu kwe mpira usi ku Region League no mupira wa Kisii na Nyamira kaba akira ba kolia ba ma qualify to division 2 asa mambia tubwata launch ye timu ya Bomachoge na Nyamira Eagles kujaka Chinsa Isato na ende chisa cha mambia tubwate meeting ye bilabu Chinsa Isato ali bonds kubogo tebya bachezaji namba team manager nga cy'umupira cyo chaka ekina tebya abantu baminto no saba abantu baminto mamanya kichi talent kiri gusi ndwa kiri farinchikaro chikochi nchiro ne chikochi kire chitimu na cyabo shabana cyabo gusi football bacha mambya bari yeri chitimu cy'una chigwaka baruse bachezaji ororo bandi kuchigoro baje kutokonya banyakonya talent cyabo. Mwanchu muligerera n'erituko lya ankyo ase ense ya Cameroon niko bono ekiminano kegocha gokoreka gateye timu ya Burkina Faso na Cameroon wachakoligia libaga lya gatatu eye nigagocha magega ye timu ya Cameroon wakwa isiko lituko lya igorobotuko amone timu ya Egypt. Lituko lya Jumapili nige timu ya Egypt ne timu ya Senegal bagocha koligia obunyangongo bwa African Cup of Nations ekaro ikachi finals rituko lya Jumapili. Nara yokorwa semesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isato chabono botuko kwera ngambia mono kwa ira chinga kichao nebiro koligereria Ndizi TV na robwansu ubomogusi nigongo kambia mono gocha sabali kibaito bonsi abo baya sangereria na kwenekya buna aikiregaiga ase studio mbia mono Petronila Mokeira asokoba omo producer ne ase maragoba yabono asokwenekya buna chibicha amaliogi aikerero manchu moligereria asenchera yoboikirano litikolia ankyo no chikumerana noyo minto Brighton makoli asemeseiga ya Amayia gendera koligereria Ndizi TV asebali bakwenda mambia esabato twabasabeire omolembe twara oboligererio biya no botuko biya ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita.